Hello friends, welcome to Natural Beauty Hacks. Today I am doing slime with foam balls. Okay, let's start it. First take a container and spoon. This is my new spatula spoon. Okay, let's open it. Take glue. I have slime glue. And you have to make some activator like that. You have to take some, how much you want to add it, the activator and slime. Use baking soda and salt. Baking soda, salt, hot water, and mix it well. You can use the activator. I'm adding colors, Fevicree, blue. Activator, add it lightly. See that it's forming like that. And take activator. This has two. This for mixing, this for pouring the activator. But I'm using this one. Add like this. Oh, see that? Mix it like that. Wow, it is formed. This, wow. See the color? I love this color. Mix it like this slowly. Mix it for like this speed and fast for 48 seconds. Okay, mix it like this only. Making bubbles like that. Yes, it's done. See this, it's not attaching like that also. See, it's ready. Okay, we'll add some more activator. I love this color. Okay, now we'll add like that, okay. I'm adding white foam balls for this combination. See, it's coming. We'll pour it like this. Now we'll mix it. I have color foam balls also. Oh, see this. It's so crispy. It was going attaching for that. Guys, it's over. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye bye. See you in next video.